Hey everyone, since sometimes my videos include side dishes, I thought it would be good if I broke this out so you could find them easier in case you want to use them with a different dish, so I hope you enjoyed this clip from my original video. So for some baked sweet potatoes and russet potatoes, all you're going to do is poke some holes into the potatoes, rub them with some olive oil and salt, and put them in the oven. You can also use this ghee spray, which we've been using a lot because it's very convenient and ghee is good for you. Then you're just going to put them in the oven at 425 degrees for about an hour or until tender. I hope you enjoyed this episode and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.